I love being able to work right here where I grew up in this beautiful area. I love the big, huge nature of everything out here. We're here at Wirtz Dam today. We are on this massive project replacing all the floodgates. My job is basically to keep all the many moving parts of the project moving. There are hundreds of different contractors, subcontractors, fabricators throughout this project that make everything work. I'll go down and check on the welders, see how they're coming. Then I'll come over to the barge crew, see what they have going on for the day. I do what I can to connect them with our team, helping out where I can, making sure they have what they need to do their job safely and correctly. Man, I love this site. I love being out here on LBJ, and I just feel very privileged to be able to be out here and be a part of this. I'm Delz. I'm a construction coordinator, and this is my office.